Plant FAQs. Begonia Solenia Light Pink. Begonia Solenia Light Pink, your guide to this cheerful bloomer. Hi, Ferbu here, and I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the Begonia Solenia Light Pink. This little gem boasts cheerful blooms and surprising resilience, making it a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor gardeners. Today, I'll answer some of the most common questions about the Begonia Solenia Light Pink and explore how it compares to other popular flowering plants. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Solenia Light Pink? The Begonia Solenia Light Pink is a variety of Rieger begonia, Begonia x hyemalis, known for its compact size and abundance of light pink blooms. This sun-tolerant proven winner's variety thrives in containers or garden beds, adding a pop of color throughout the season. How big does a Begonia Solenia Light Pink get? A mature Begonia Solenia Light Pink typically reaches a height and spread of 8 to 12 inches, 20 to 30 centimeters. Its bushy form makes it ideal for edging flower beds, adding vibrancy to hanging baskets, or brightening up a patio container. What kind of light does a Begonia Solenia Light Pink need? This begonia is a champion of adaptability. While it tolerates full sun, partial sun is its sweet spot. In particularly hot climates, afternoon shade can be beneficial. Indoors, place your Begonia Solenia Light Pink near a brightly lit window with indirect sunlight. How often should I water my Begonia Solenia Light Pink? The key to watering your Begonia Solenia Light Pink is consistency. Aim for evenly moist soil, but avoid soggy conditions. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering again. During the hot summer months, you may need to water more frequently. What kind of soil does a Begonia Solenia Light Pink need? A well-draining potting mix is essential for your Begonia Solenia Light Pink. Opt for a commercial potting mix or create your own by combining equal parts potting soil, perlite, and vermiculite. This ensures proper drainage and aeration, preventing root rot. Does Begonia Solenia Light Pink need fertilizer? While not strictly necessary, a light application of fertilizer during the growing season can encourage vibrant blooms. A balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength, applied every 2 to 4 weeks, will keep your Begonia Solenia Light Pink happy. Does Begonia Solenia Light Pink attract pollinators? The abundant light pink blooms of the Begonia Solenia Light Pink are quite attractive to pollinators like bees and butterflies. This adds to the ecological benefit of having this cheerful plant in your garden. Is Begonia Solenia Light Pink easy to care for? Absolutely. This begonia is known for its low-maintenance nature. With consistent watering, proper drainage, and occasional fertilization, your Begonia Solenia Light Pink will reward you with season-long blooms. Both the Begonia Solenia Light Pink and the wax begonia, Begonia semperflorens, are popular choices for beginner gardeners. Here's a quick comparison. Light. Begonia Solenia Light Pink prefers sun to part sun, while wax begonia thrives in full sun to partial shade. Bloom time. Begonia Solenia Light Pink boasts blooms throughout the season, while wax begonia flowers tend to slow down in hot weather. Size. Begonia Solenia Light Pink is a compact grower, while wax begonia can reach up to 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, in height. Begonia Solenia Light Pink versus Impatiens. Another popular shade-loving option is the Impatiens. Here's how they compare. Light. Begonia Solenia Light Pink tolerates some sun, while Impatiens prefers shade or partial shade. Moisture. Begonia Solenia Light Pink enjoys evenly moist soil, while Impatiens thrives in consistently moist conditions. Winter hardiness. Begonia Solenia Light Pink is typically treated as an annual, while some Impatiens varieties can be perennials in warmer climates. In conclusion, the Begonia Solenia Light Pink is a delightful addition to any garden. Its cheerful blooms, compact size, and easy care nature make it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. With a little TLC, this begonia will bring bursts of color to your space all season long. Happy planting!